Hello, Isabel students. This is Mrs. Laureano. I hope you're all doing well. I would like to walk you through how to access our free tutoring service that we have, which is tutor.com. And it's free tutoring services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And the address you need to go to is www.tutor.com. And this is important, /spusd. And then you click enter. And it will bring you to this website, and you should see our Santa Paula Unified School District logo. And you're going to enter your username. Your username will be your email. And note down below, it tells you your username is your spunified.sd.org email address. And you will type it in, your first two initials and the 4 numbers. For myself, I will type in mine. And then you need to enter your password, which down below shows you password spusd tutor 2020 is your initial password. Note that your password is case sensitive. If you have trouble with your password, use the forgot your password link above, which is this one here. I'm going to enter my password, and then you sign in. And it will bring you to this page. It will have your name and it will tell you welcome. You can schedule a tutoring session. Connect with the tutor now. You will need to fill out this information. It says please take a moment to review our honor code. Do that as well. And then for math code, for topic, you select the topic. For this instance, I'm going to select math. The subject, I'll put in middle school math, and then I'll select the grade, 6th grade. And you have the option for chat only or chat with voice, and then you enter your question, and you have the question, or you can attach a file by clicking attach. And then you would select a file that you need to attach if you have that. And then you could click connect now. When it says you enter your question. So I said, can I receive help with a math problem on decimals? And if you have anything more specific you want to ask, you can type it in here, connect now. And then it says we're getting you a tutor. Just be patient. And then as soon as you're able to connect to a tutor will be available. It says, can I receive help with math problems? That was my question. And our tutor here is Michael. And then it says, hi, Michael, how are you? So he's asking me, how am I doing? I am doing well, thank you. And then he'll ask you what help do you need with, and you would type it on here, and the tutor will model how to work out the problem here as well. If you have any questions, feel free to revisit this email or contact one of us or reach out to your teachers. But again, it's tutor.com/Santa Paula Unified School District. And it says here, what is your question? So you would type in your question, and that's how you would be receiving help. And again, remember, it's any subject, any problem you have, and it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if it's 8 o'clock at night and you have a math problem that you need help with and you're stuck, you can always take a picture and upload it with the attachments as I showed you earlier, and type the question, and a tutor is just a step away.